Sana yung future niya nakatakot. Tuloy na natin. Para makarami kayo, hayaan nyo yung ulit. Bal, ang gaganda ng buhok mo. Sino tumatarantado sa'yo?
Ba't pabukas mo nga yung timer, Ba't? Start na tayo. Dark.
Baterya ba to?
Maghintay ka. Tingin ka lang dyan. Balikan ng pa. Ang number mo? Lapit ka, tawag ko. Bariwan. Number lang dito, number. Okay. Lapit mo na dito, lapit. Saan na tayo? SPG.
Lagyan mo yung STG dalawa. Itong ano. STG itong
STG black tapos STG red.
Ikaw yung machine.
Ano?
Dito sa gilid.
Oo. Benji. Una tayo na.
Saan yung STG ka?
Ito nakata. SPG. Ito, mga number. Green first line. Rep, game na. Number 92 for 2. Rebound by Zia. Zia steal by number 92. Number 92 pull up the J at the key. Rebound by Ferrer. Ferrer for 3. No. Oh, nakadraw pa tayo. Marion. Marion to number 8. Number 8 pull up. No. Rebound by Zian. Zian to STG basket. Lakaba. For three, number 11. No. Rebound by Lakaba. Lakaba to Ferrer. To Lakaba for three. No. Rebound by Ferrer. Ferrer sa side. No. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number 11 to Marion. Marion against Ferrer. Marion sa gitna. Pull up J by number 18. Number 14, Lee. To Lakaba. To his brother. Kick ball. Lakaba to Ferrer. Ferrer to Zian. Lakaba. Lakaba against number 11. Marion steals. Marion to his teammate. Basket. Ferrer to number 14, Lee. Number 14. Rebound. Offensive rebound again. Pangalawa. Basket. Good shot, right? Well, minutes 42. Number 14 to the line. Bonus shot. And it's good. Marion. Marion to teammates. Number 11. Marion. Marion. Pinasa sa kakampi. Number 8. Number 8. Teardrop. So good. White basketball. 12 minutes and 18. Zian to Lakaba. Lakaba to number 14. Muntik na magaw, number 11. Number 14. To number 8. Number 8 to Marion. Sandali lang daw. To number 8, Puj. Basket. 11 minutes 45. Lakaba. Drop pass to his brother. Lakaba to Zian. Zian for 4. Zian. No. Kuha ni number 8. Number 8 to Marion. Marion. And wow. Basket is good. Who's foul? Zian, first personal. Bonus shot by Marion. And it's no good. Rebound by Ferrer. Ferrer to Lakaba. Lakaba. Teardrops. Rebound by number 92. Pass to number 8. Number 8 to 18. Whoa, basket. One, number 18, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to Marion. 3 seconds by Lakaba. White team. 10 minutes 44. Shout out, happy day. Lakaba to Ferrer. Ferrer outside. Marion. Marion. Apostol. To number 8. Number 8 to number 92. Number 92 para sa 3. straight foul. Score 11-5 in favor of Team Dart. 10 minutes and 9. Pinasa gitna kay Coach Ares. Straight away, Kobe shot. No basket. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 to Lajong. To Barion. Barion sa J. Rebound by Coach Ares. Twist makes no basket. Number 10 for 3. No basket. Lakaba, rebound. Lakaba. Lakaba, diretso. Lakaba to the cup, basket. Barion to Lajong. Barion. 9 minutes 15. Same basketball. 14 seconds to shoot. White basketball, rep. White basketball by Rep Ramin. 9 minutes and 9. Coach Aris to number 9. Number 9, lefty, no. Rebound by Lee. Lee, rebound. Inaagawan ng number 10. Cusino. Who's foul? Oh, outside, rather. Najum to number 11. To number 10, rather. Barion. Screens by number 10. Barion. Barion. To number 10. Number 10, teardrops. No basket. Rebound by Zian. Zian. Zian, the Afro man. Steal by Barion. Barion. Oh, yeah, stats ha. Tignan mo. Foul by number 10. Number 10, Dart. Number 10, Dart. First personal. Number 9. No. Lakaba. Sa J. Kuha ni Apostol. Apostol. Apostol cross to Barion. Barion. He's trapped. Apostol sa J. No. Number 23. Lajon. 2 points. No basket. Kuha ni Lakaba. Lakaba. Pass to Coach Ares. To Zian. To Coach Ares. Basket. 11-9. 7 minutes 30. Apostol. 3. Apostol for 2. Number 9. Number 9 to Lee. Lee. No. To number 23 to Barion. Barion. No. Rebound by Zian. 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 To his teammate Lakaba. Lakaba. Lakaba fades. Rebound by Zian. Put back. Basket by Zian. 13-11. By Coach Aris. Aris to number 9, his teammate. Number 9, easy basket. All 13. 6 minutes 23. Barion. Barion sa gitna. Coach Aris. Zian to Lee. Who's foul, ref? Number 10. Yung bago natin dito kayo pagpalisa na quality. Dito. Kay Boss Francis yan. 14 for 2, basket. Lee, no basket. 5 minutes 55. Number 10, Trapas, steal by Lee. Lee to number 9, all the way. Basket. 16-15 in favor of Light Team. Marion to number 10. Cuisino for 3, no. Rebound by number 10. To number 9. Number 9 to Lacaba. It's a basket by Lacaba. 18-15, 5 minutes and 10 in the first quarter. Apostol. Mandatory substitution, change 5. Five minutes and 1 second. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 8. To number 11. Number 8 for 3. 3 points. Coach Aris to number 9 for 3. Cuisino for 2, no. Rebound by Lacaba. Lacaba to Zian. Lacaba screen by Zian rather.
Hero kayo din.
Coach Aris for 3 points. Checks out. Number 8, and a 4. To number 8, foul. Foul. Pere first. And a 4. To Fermado. To number 10 for 3, no. Rebound by Coach Aris. Coach Aris to number 9, no. Rebound by Penamol. Number 10. Oh, Aliu. Alahoy shot, no basket. Foul by number Lacaba. Rashid Lacaba. First personal. Yung mga kakad natin dito magkalista sa comedy.
Sabi mo kung kay Francis yan.
No, basket.
Hindi tao, hindi. Hindi. May pangalan yan. Sige, tanong. Dark yan, dark. Marami.
Basket. Ready for 3, go! Ay, hindi pa. For number 8, for 3, go! Rebound by Zian. Zian to Ferrer. Ferrer, no! To number 8. Number 8, Romalo. To number 10, to Crisino. Rebound by Lacaba. Lacaba to Zian. Dark basketball, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 8, Ravele. 2 minutes and 4. Number 9 for 3. Zian steals. Easy lay. Tanongin mo kung light sila. Number 92. Basket by number 10. Basic. Nakaba versus number 10. Foul. Second personal. Two shot by Lacaba. Rashid. No basket.
Ha? Oo. Mukhang hindi pupunta.
Basket is you. Number 8. Firmalo. To Benafor. Rebound by Coach Aris. Coach Aris to number 9. Coach Aris for 3. No, rebound by number 10, Cristino. To Firmalo. To his teammate, number 10, basket. Ferrer. Against Benafor. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Seconds. 3, 2. And first quarter. Natin tapos. All right, second quarter. Number 8, go. Reyes. Number 10, basket. Marion, basket. Reyes. Santos for 3, go! Dark basketball. Steal by Reyes to number 23. Rebound by Marion. Basket is good. 27-32 in favor of Dark. Reyes is foul. His first 2 shots by Reyes. Basket is good by Reyes. Reyes, basket. 34-27 in favor of Light team. Hermano spins. Hermano get rebound. Hermano, basket by Hermano. 29-34. Santos to Reyes. Foul by number 92. His first. Okay, good. Reyes to Santos, full J. No, rebound by number 92. 92 to number 23. Backward violation. Light team. Sa gitna, Full J, Reyes, basket! Hermano. Light team. Foul number 11. His first side ball. Score 36-29 in favor of Light. Hermano for 3. Go! Rebound by number 11. Number 11 against 92. Blocking by number 92. 22, third personal. Bruce. Rebound by 23 to Barion. Barion, dire-diretso. Barion. Kanan pa rin. 36-31. Number 11. Number 10 rather. To number 4. Number 4 to number 7. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 for 3. Rebound by Santos. Santos sa gilid rather. Pull back by number 10. Basket. Hermana. No. Bruce. Number 10. Number 10. Fouled by number 23. Mandatory substitution. Pass up, change 5, change 5. Change 5 tayo. No basket by number 10.
Tagdalisan.
Number 10 sa line. Bonus shot. Basket. Cristino to Apostol. Buha pa rin Apostol. Apostol teardrop. No. Rebound by number 30. Number 8 versus Barion. Number 8 Kapiran to number 9 for 3. No. Rebound by Apostol. Apostol to Barion. Barion dire-diretso. Barion. Basket and one. Foul by number 30. Score 33-39. 9 minutes and 24. Bonus shot by Barion. No basket. Basket is good. No basket, number 8. Number 8. Good. Steal by number 9. Number 9 spins. Double dribble. Nakuha ni Rep yun ah. Basket is good. Number 9 to Lee, no basket. Cristino to Apostol. Apostol to number 10. Piniling kay Apostol sa gitna. No! Rebound by number 30. Mula sa kay Lee. To Acosta. Acosta against Benafor. Number 10. Number 10 to number 11. Benafor. Benafor to Barion. Barion. No. Put back. No again. Put back again by number 10. Wow. One Lee. Lee against number 10. Lee basket. number 10, Andre. Andre to Apostol. Kuha ni number 9. Number 9 to Acosta. Diretso. No? Kuha na Cusquino. Cusquino to Marion. Marion against Lee. Marion, no. Kuha number 30, Acosta. Acosta to number 9. Number 9 for 3 points. 46-37 in favor of Light Team. Marion against number 27, Acosta. Marion, 2 steps. No? Rebound by Benaflor, pinalik sa ring. Benaflor for 2. Number 9 for 3 again. Number 9. No. Rebound by Apostol. Apostol Puxano. Screen by number 8. Number 8 to number 27. 27 to Lee. Basket. To Marion. Marion. Kunjay. Go. Rebound by number 9. Capiral. Capiral against Andre. Rebound by number 27. Number 27. Basket. Basketball. Apostol fakes. Apostol. Teardrops. Basket by Apostol. Capiral versus Marion. Capiral. Rebound by number 30. Rebound by Buenafor. Marion. Marion to the cup. No. Rebound by number 9. Kuha ni Andre. Andre. Apostol. Rebound by Cusino. Cusino. Basic shot. No. Rebound again. Basic shot again. No. Number 27. 27 to Lee. Lee. Basket. Change 5. Change 5. 4 minutes 53 in the second quarter. 41-52. Favor of Light. Number 8. Number 92 to Rajon. Laaba, diretso. Laaba. No, rebound by his brother, Rashid. Rashid, basket. Walang pa isa. Dai. Number 23 to Nakapa, Rashid. Rashid, power shot, basket. Hermano to Crisino, 2 drops. Rebound by number Ito, sa kanila daw. Side shot. No. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. No. Rebound by Zian. Zian. Zian against number 92. Screen by Rashid. Made to shoot. Number 9 for 3. No. Juan Ferrer. Ferreira. Try to save. No. Hermana. To number 9. Light team. Number 9, 3. Mosquito, number 9. Number 9 to 92. 5 to shoot. 92. Sache, no. Nakaba, rebound. Big basket. 12 seconds to shoot. Nakaba to number 9. Number 9 for Nakaba for 3. Go! Rebound by Busquino. Busquino. Spins. Busquino to Hermano for 3. Go! Rebound by number 92. Number 92 drop to Hermano. Basket. Nice assist. Zian for 3. Go! Juan Ferrer. John for 2. $61-43. Hermana. Rebound again. Nakaba. To Ferrer. Basket. 63-43. 20-point lead by Light Team. Number 92 screen by Busquino. That's screen by Busquino. Number 92 fakes against Nakaba. Basket. One minute and 3 seconds. Zian. Number 8, Hermano. To number 9. Number 9. Fakes. Basket. 45 seconds. Number 92. 92 to Hermano. Against Nakaba. Nakaba. Kicks. 30 seconds. Andali lang. Yes, wait. Wait. Don't be stand up. Dali. Nag-vlog. Ana, ito wala. Wait. Ayusin lang. Troubleshoot lang. Ayun.
Ano, 28 seconds?
30 seconds.
Sino mo yan? Ay! Tama.
Game, game. "28 seconds. Left to number 9. Number 9 for 3. No. Rebound by number 9 2. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Nakaba. Elbow basket. 10 seconds. Number 92 for 3. Number 9, no basket. End of the second quarter. No basket, no basket. Nasira yung ano eh.
Masahin mo ng tubig.
Madumi yan, madumi. Na, dumating naman yung sorcerer yun, puro bata.
Pwede ko sa ano?
Run sa ano, may tubig dyan, oh, yan. Sobrang na ba doon sa bila?
Hindi ko sa kabila. Sa kabila. Sa kabila.
Lipat ko si Baryon?
Oo, lipat ko si Baryon. Ayun na ba ito? Ayun na, yung bago.
JP, palit ka mga JP!
Ikaw muna dito, bago.
Hindi, oh, kakarating lang eh. Dark ball. 65-50 in favor of light team. Sa mga nag-ano ng wifi dun sa staff, ayun na.
Isa lang tao dyan, isa lang. Baseline.
3. Traveling. Light team, traveling. Number 10. Good by Rep. 8 to shoot. Number 10. Foul by number number 15. Two shots by Cruz. Dali na ha. Ayan, okay. Basket. 54-67. Andres. Isidro to Cruz. Cruz, Saring. Rebound by 15. 15 to number 3. Basket. 56-67, 11-point lead. Number 10 to number 4. Number 4, Kalayak. 7, Steve by number 9. 14 seconds to shoot. For 3. No, rebound by number 3. Number 10 to 77. No, rebound by number 9, Cruz. Number 10 is first. Okay. Basket is good. Change right. 5 na lang, 5. Basket is good by number 8, Vermola. Two-point game. Lee. Rebound by Lee again. Go again, Lee again. Offensive foul. 9 minutes 13, third quarter. Vermola. To Marion. Marion to Andre. Andre for 3. Go. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 for 3. Go. Tuhan outlet. Foul by number 9. 8 ba? Brother, 8. Apostol for 2. All na po, all na. From 20-point lead. What a comeback. Lava for 3. Steal by number 9. Number 9. Basket. Balik sa 5. Number 8. Vermola. Basket. 72-69. Marion to Apostol. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. 2 steps. Basket. Grabe yun. Vermola for 3. Lee to number 9. Fakes. Number 9 to Lee. Go. Right up floor. Marion against number 9. Same ball. Vermola for 3 again. Now rebound by Andre. Andre put back. Now rebound by Vermola. Rebound by Lakaba. Rashid to Lee. Lee to number 9. Lee. Number 9. Basket. 76-72. Marion against number 9. Blocking. Okay, number 9 yan. Sini. Vermola fakes. Vermola for 3. No. Rebound by Lee. Steal by Marion. JB all the way. No. Juania. Lakaba. Stop and pop sa class. 3. five, change five. Change five. 81-74 in favor of Light Team. 5 minutes and 4 sa third quarter. Right. Baggio to number 3. To number 15. 3 points. Acosta. Lead by number 15. Number 15. Go. Rebound by Coach Alice. To Zian to Ares to Zian for 4 points. Apos Jose to Baggio. Benafes to Jose for 3 points. Isa na lang. 4 minutes. Apiral against Baggio. Apiral derecho. Drop pass to Acosta. No good. Rebound by Jose. Jose to number 3. Kaliwa. No. Rebound by 23. Put back. No. Rebound by 3. Foul by number 30. Two shots by number 3. Basket. Basket is good. All 81. Second shot. Basket. Laban na sila. Abra against Baggio. Coach Aris. Abral. Coach Aris for 3. Go. Rebound by number 3. Juan Jose. Number 15. Number 15 against number 8 rather. To Baggio sa side. Baggio, no good. Juan Baggio. Baggio to 23. 23. Go. Juan Jose. No basket. Rebound by Coach Aris. Zian. Behind the pass to Acosta. Nice pass. Rebound by number 3. Juan, number 3 again. Number 3 against Zian. Number 3, Montalban. Ano ba pinito doon? Jose for 3 points! Laban na! Number 8 against number 15. Number 4, Coach Aris. Baggio to number 15. To Jose. Jose all the way. No. Pinasa sa number 15. Sa side. To number 3. Number 3 for 3. No. Rebound by Zian. To 30. Blocking foul. 2 shots by Capital. First attempt, basket. Second attempt. Hapos. One minute, 17. Number three speeds against Coach Aris. Basket. 87-82. Bumaliktad na ang score. Zian against number 15. Zian, steal by Jose. Jose to number 15. Block by Coach Aris. Against number 8 to number 15. Step back. Bajo fakes. Pinalik sa number 15 for 3. Coach Aris, 36 seconds. Coach Aris. No. Block by number 3. Number 3. Number 23. Number 15. Step back. Jose. 89-82, 17 seconds. Zian, basket is good. End of the third quarter. Last quarter. Sub-sub pa rin yan, sub-sub ha. Pero pwede ng custom sub yan.
May report ka naman.
Number 23, Lachon. First attempt, no good. Lachon, second attempt. This time is basket. 19. 89. Number 10 for 3. No, rebound by number 9. Number 9 to number 7. Drop pass. Miscommunication. Back basketball. Vermola to number 9. Number 9 sa test. Number 9, 3. Steal by number 10. Crisino, Daracho. Crisino, basic shot. Lamang na po ang Dark Team. 95-89. Number 11, Trinks. Angeles. Trinks again. Socantro, number 7, Santos. Black by number 10, Santos. Foul. Foul number 10, Cristino. First personal. Kusha. Third personal by number 10, Cristino. Basket is good. Basket is good. 95-91. Vermola for 2. Santos. Foul by number 9. Second personal.
Second hand.
First personal, rather. Time out! Pwede time out. Time out, right team. Back to the ball game, 12 minutes and 46 sa fourth quarter. Isidro. Ang haba na kapito, Angeles Isidro. Angeles Isidro sa 3. Oh, rebound by Crisino. Crisino to number 9. Number 9. No. Angeles Isidro. Angeles Isidro to number 4. Unang ka J by Kalayan. Kaya. Blocking by number 4. Basket's good by Vermalo. Santos, 2 steps, basket. Number 9. Number 9, Safalto, basket. 101-95. For 3. Go. Rebound. Santos for 3. Go. Angeles Isidro. Number 4. Takes. Number 9. Basket. 101-97. What a shot by number 9. No basket. Makuha niya ang Isidro. Ang Isidro. Santos. Back by number 10. Isidro. Steal. Back basketball. Fermado to number 9. See by Angeles Isidro. Number 11, basket. 101-99. Number 23, Lucino against number 9, fakes. Number 10, what a shot! Kalayan to number 7. Number 7 from 3 against Romalo. Number 9 rebound. Same foul. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 7 for 3. Rebound by Lucino. Number 10. Number 23. Turnover. Steals rather. 10 minutes 15. Fernando against Cruz. Foul by Cruz. He's first. Two shots by Fernando. Basket. 104-99. Second shot. Basket. 105-99. In favor of dark team. Santos, teardrops. Rebound by number 23. Cristino against number 11. Fremalo against number 4 to number 10. Basket. One shot. na 107. 3 points by Isidro. Time out. Panikisan. Sira yung ating 107. 107-99. Larangan ball. Wait. Tapos na? Halin kayo! Okay, correction. 107-102 in favor of white team. Okay, game. Andre. Cristino. See by number 9. Basket up. Go. Ferrer against Bajo. Father Bajo. Two shots for Ferrer. Oh, basket. Good. Second shot by Ferrer. No basket. again by Karen. Karen again. Karen this time is you. 107, 104.
Hey, tulong!
Crispino. Ang Bajo. 10 seconds to shoot. Andre. No good. Juania Nakaba. Brother. Rashid. For 3 points. Kung sino ka man. All 107. Bajo. So Crispino. So Marion sa side. Marion, go. Rebound by Rashid. Rashid to Lee. Lee to number 9. Lee, go. Crispino. To Apostol. Kickball. 8 minutes 33. Rashid to Lee. Lee against Marion. Lee, go. Kuha ni Rashid. Rashid, power moves. Rashid, foul by number 77. Rashid for 2. No basket. No basket at this time again. Crispino. Marion. Double. Wow. Hey, Kumara. Apostol for 2. Rebound by Lee. Number 9. 2 steps. He needed. Rebound by Crispino. Crispino, teardrops. No, kuha niya ulit. Rashid, libre. Rashid ulit. Passing. One shot by Rashid. Go! 7 minutes 23 in the fourth quarter. 109, 107 in favor of 19. For 3! Go! Rebound by Crispino. Crispino. Apostol. Apostol ulit. Apostol. Pinasa sa ring. Apostol ulit. Wala. Rebound by Bajo, number 77. Penalty na ba? Okay. 2 shots na. Two shots. No good. No basket does this time again. Crispino. For three! Three points by Andre! Two-step.
Nagulat nga rin ako kanina. Len! Ba't naman pating kami? Len! Len!
One 107, laman ng 19. No basket. Big basket. Ayun. Pinasa kay Andre, loose ball.
Penalty ba? Penalty? May foul tayo sa block. Penalty.
Both teams are in penalty.
Aray ko, sasad na sila mga wow. Kala ko na nabakan nyo.
Line ka man.
Pumasok. Andre, no good. Connection sa live stream. Basket! All 112. Connection sa live stream. Yan ang tamang score. Bonus shot. Basket. Baggio. Steps back. Baggio. Go. Baryon. Baryon against number 9. Andre. Andre to Baryon. Baryon trampas po Crispino. Go. We got my lead. Crispino Baggio. Baggio.
Second hand.
Two shot by Baggio. Basket. Kuha ng Dark. Dark to Crispino. Crispino. Rebound na kay Crispino. Crispino. Basket! 115, 113, 530. Bonus shot by Crispino. Basket! Substitution. On 116. 5 minutes 10. Andre, turnover. Substitution. Okay, pwede lago-lago yan. Pag-quarter na. Last 5 minutes and 6. Pwede yan. Substitution. Cost of subs na. Fourth quarter. All 116. For 3, Nakaba. Rebound by Zian. Zian to me. Twisting it for 3. Oh. Dark basketball. Jose the number 15 fakes. So Fermalo for 3. No, rebound by Lee. Steal by number 15. Bangladesh 13. No, look shot. No, rebound by Lee. Nakaba tapas to Sian. Steal by number 15. Number 22, set for 3. No! Rebound by number 3. The number 15. Binalik sa 3 for 3. No basket. Rebound Jose. Cool J. Basket! 118, 116. 3 minutes and 15. Basket! What is he steal? Full basketball. 19-second shot clock. Steal by 15. 15 basket! Nakaba. Nakaba tapas 3. Lee to number 9 for 3 points. 121, 120. To number 15. To Fermala for 3 points. Nakaba number 9 for 3 points. 124, 123. Number 3. Push. Pushing foul. 13. Pwede sub. Number 3 sa control basket. All 124. Second attempt. Basket. Foul by number 3. Two shots then. Basket. On 125. 6. Fermona to Multavo. Multavo to Jose. Jose. Fua. Nastini. Lee. Derecho. Against Multavo to his teammate. Lee Vasquez. 129. 125. Number 9. Number 9. 2 steps. Now rebound ni Lakapa. To Lee. Dito na kasano. No. Rebound by Fermona. Fermona, dire-diretso. Fermona. Lampas ni Jose. Nice pass. Time out. 30. $129, $127, lamang ang late team. 1:39. Last 1:39. Fourth quarter. Jose to number 15. Go. Buha ni Lakaba. Lakaba via number 15. 3. Low ball. Bilale. 130, 129. Zian. For 3. No. Rebound via Iskino. 54 seconds. Steal by Lee. Basket by White team. Number 15, 38 seconds. Jose. Jose. Pass to Iskino. Iskino! Pass it! 30 seconds. Iskino for 3. Now, Viva Manuel Tabo. 22 seconds. Mamala Jose! Seconds lamang. 16 seconds. Last 16 seconds. Seconds. 134, 131, Gabriel Parky. Number 9, Suzian. White nagabol. Nakaba for 3. No. Number 15. To Fermona. Fermona sa 3. 3. Nice game. 137 final score. 131 among ang dark team. Picture po tayo, picture. Van, picture. Yung dark, tsaka ano, like. Van. Nice game, nice game. Picture po tayo nun, yung dark, tsaka light. Every week kasi iba-iba ng lineup mo. Para may remembrance sila. Ayan. Nice game, nice game. Picture ko nga, picture muna. Right team, picture muna, picture. Right team, tapos start. Picture tayo, picture. Picture.
Lalobat! Paitan battery.
Best player, Cristino number 10. Tsaka si, ito si Alcon. Ano na yung full name niya? Lalagyan yung poster.
Sabay. Base Lalobat?
Oo. Adon. Sorry. Ayan. Nalobat yung photographer natin. Nalobat. O, isa pa picture. Ako, isa pa. Ayan. Paayos mo ba? No? Dapat paayos mo. Ayan. Oh, dark naman.
Magkakagad ako lang. Paano saan maninego? Sige, bukas biyahe tayo pa Japan o kahit saan.
Dark team.
Bago sa Louis Vuitton.
Dark team, picture. Dito na. Dark team, picture tayo picture.
Number 10. Grabe yun. Maka-check. Ang nakuha po na. Ayun yung number 10 whiskey. Grabe yun po. Wala basic. Basic na maglaro.